All right, I wanted to make a quick video addressing a couple of questions out of section 1.4, and just because some of it's a little bit unique to the mechanics for wamap. So here we have a teacher gave a pop quiz in class. The quiz had a maximum score of 9 points. The lowest score in the class was a 4. Draw a frequency polygon for the set of quiz scores presented in the following the frequency distribution table. So for a frequency polygon, we're going to start 1 unit to the left here. So we're going to add 3, 0 as a starting point, and then at 4 it jumps to 9. So I'll get the point 4, 9, 5, 1, 6, 3. Then I've got to go to 7, 1, and then 8, 3, and then back down to 0. So sometimes students don't do a starting one here. I guess I got to click one more time to stop drawing. A starting or an ending. So a frequency distribution is going to just let you know what those frequencies are. And so we get something like that. Now there are similar questions, but they ask you for an ogive here. A teacher gave a pop quiz in class. The quiz had a maximum score of 10 points. The lowest score in the class was a 4. Draw a frequency ogive. And a frequency ogive is just a cumulative frequency polygon. So we're going to get a running total here. And I'm going to try to do some of the work here in Excel, just to give you a chance at how I might handle this in Excel. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste. I like to do paste special and go with text. This is occasionally Excel does funny things. Now what I want here is a cumulative frequency. So I'll just add a column. And the first one, we're starting at 1 here, and so it's going to just be 1. I can click the cell or I can enter 1. And now to let Excel do a cumulative frequency for me, I can click here, and then I'm just going to add what I'd add in the next interval. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. If I go here, I can double click, and it just does the work for me. And so now I want to graph this along with this. Now with the ogive, we're going to start a unit to the left, and so that would be 3, 0. And of course it disappears. Let's see if we can bring this up and fight this battle. Probably going to bounce back and forth the whole way. Now notice 4, 1, and here we're counting by 2s, so we got to make sure that we get that. Now it went to 5, 2, and then I believe we stayed steady. It'll be 6, 2, then 7, 6. So 6, 2, then 7, 6. More fun here. 8, 11, and 9, 13. So at 8 we have to jump to 11, 9 go to 13, and then we add one more in the last one. Now with a frequency ogive, we're just going to stop there, and that should give us all the points. So anyway, a couple little tips and tricks. Obviously it didn't work too well popping back and forth, having this go disappear all the time, but we do want to learn how to use Excel as part of the tools for the class, so there it is. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions.